Welcome back to our channel. Let me give you a quick recap about what we learned in our previous session. In our previous session, we learned about how to apply different types of windows and doors in the building plan, creation of floors in the building plan, creation of first floor in the building plan, and how to apply staircases in the building plan. With this, let's begin with our guidance session.
Okay. I have one balcony. I'll create a balcony here later. Make a cutaway in this. Okay. Now we'll add a floor on the first floor. We'll add the same floor. Check wire box. I want to add an internal floor. Balcony floors I will be adding different ones. So I'll start from here to this point, and then I will amend all these lines to the exact endpoints of my floor. Select the line option, create a line from here to here. Select this line. Here. Select the line option. And expand this line to here. Okay. That's pretty much it. Floor for first floor. Go to 3D view. Now you can see our stairs are blocked. So for that we have to make a shaft. Okay. A shaft is used to create an opening. So we'll go on the plinth level. We'll click on the shaft, and then we'll make a shaft for our stairs. But we have to keep it till the boundaries. Suppose I make, for example, suppose I make this shaft. Okay, let's just make this shaft. So you'll be always clear that we have to make shafts very focusedly. Okay, so suppose if I create this shaft, I go to the 3D view. I can see that my stairs are not landing on my floor and there is a gap. So I have to keep the shaft strictly to my stair boundaries. So I'll go here, double click it to edit it, delete this line. I don't want to delete it, just reduce it to here. Select the line tool. First I'll reduce this also. Here, select the line tool. That's it. Now our stairs will land directly on our floor, and so that nobody falls in this gap, you can connect these two through a railing. So we'll go to the first floor, select railing. In this railing also you'll get different types of railings: sketch path and place on host. Place on host is generally used if you want to place a railing on the stairs. So right now we have the sketching thing. In the left side you'll get 4 types of railings. So I'll make the railing from here to here. Yes. In 3D view, now I can change the height or type of the railing so that it will match my host and I can again go to the first floor, repeat so that it will easily blend with it. Okay, you can create a railing. This is how you can do it. There are also different type of railings which we'll be using in the balcony. Okay, so let's now make this balcony. For this, I'll make a glass door. Go in the load family, doors, and I'll go to flush panel, double acting. Yes, double door, sliding or glass, sliding on to use. I'll make 5 feet 10 inch, 6 feet 6 inch, and then I can put it on this wall. Okay, so this is how, if the internal door you want to open or external one. So I'll make, you can also change the orientation by space bar like this. So I'll make it here, and this is how it will look. Okay, then okay, one thing, if suppose I want to select the floor, I can make the floor on the first floor, which we have to make on the floor level. We will select all the filter check line. Floor. Floor. Okay. This is how we can select one element. If there are a lot of elements, we have to go to floor level.
I'm sorry to interrupt, sir. You're not audible.
Not audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible, sir.
Okay. We'll take the doubts in 5 minutes. Okay. Now we'll go to edit type, create duplicate, same height. I'll write it as a balcony floor. Okay, and okay, I'll create square option, line option, create a flow here, create put 3 feet 6 inch, and select right. And this is how which we can see it. This will be a balcony floor. Okay, we can also increase it if we want. We can select it in 3D view, select on this line. With the arrow keys, we can increase it to around 4 feet and then press right. This is it. Now we'll be creating boundary. We'll go to the first floor, go to railing. Then we have this glass panel bottom fill. Also we can when you will select the railing, you can load it from the presets, but we want to use this glass panel ones. Okay, so select it from here. But before creating a railing, I'd like to create a boundary on which we will be creating a railing. So we'll make another wall, create a duplicate, balcony boundary, BB stands for that. Okay, and that's pretty much it. We'll keep its height to 3 feet, then inside. Now for this I want to keep it half below the level and half above it. Since it was 3 feet, I'll make the base feet as minus 1 feet 6 inches. So how it will look like is this, half above, half below. Okay, I will go again to the first floor. I'll click on the railing, click on glass panel, bottom fill, and create this from the center point of this to end point of this, and that's it. This is how a railing will look. But since it is created on a wall, we have to select this. We have to set the base of the offset as 1 feet 6 inches so that it perfectly goes above. This looks a little bit over heighted, so we'll make this 3 feet wall as 2 feet. Okay, we'll make this as only 6 inches. And that's it. Our railing is being created, right? This wall, on the other hand, go to the plinth level. There is this split option. Okay, through this you can split the walls. I want to split it from here and this wall right here. Okay, I'll go to the 3D views, make this wall as 4 feet, this wall also as 4 feet, and this one also 4 feet height. Right? Okay, let's take the doubts before closing the session, and we'll continue with the different next elements tomorrow. So our first doubt is how we decide that how much dimensions should be given to kitchen bedroom if we are getting only dimensional plot area. That we have already talked about. It comes with experience, but I'll give you some standards of the, generally you will find this in the building by law of the state in which you are living it. They have a rules panel of how much gap you have to leave in the veranda, how much should be the minimum of a kitchen, how generally it also depends on the plot size. So suppose the room in which right now I'm sitting is a 10 by 10 room, and it has a 3 feet by 4 feet washroom and a small you can say small washing dressing area. Okay, and then I have another room which is around 30 feet by 15 feet, so that is the master bedroom. So it depends on how many people are going to live in that room, and where that room is actually located, what is your plot size. That is a main thing which we have to consider. Then how to add sunshades. Sure, sunshades we can add, like suppose we have to add a sunshade on over this window. Okay, so we will go to architecture. There are different type methods of adding, right? This component thing, which when I'll teach you this, then almost all the things can be done by this, but it's a little bit tricky thing. So we should not use everything in the component one. So we can use it for small elements like sunshades. So I'll go to component. There is this model in place. I'll give it a generic model type. I'll name sunshade. Select OK. Then there are different type of modules on which we have to use, like extrusion blonde. So this is how we can create through extrusion. If you have ever used AutoCAD, we will have to set a plane, and then through rectangular panel I can create a sunshade. I'll select OK. Our work here will be done. We can extend it to the desired width, and this is how. And there is a different another option, because this is a little bit tricky one, but this is the fastest. But there is another option. Suppose I want to create sunshade over this window. Okay, then I'll go to the elevation concerning this window, which is west. Okay, I'll go create a level here. Suppose here level 8. I will name it SS. Okay, then I'll go back to the SS level. I'll make it a wireframe one, so that I can see that window on which I want to make, and then I can make this by floor template also. Whichever floor you want. I want a generic 150 mm. How much depth you want to keep, that's up to you. And this is how I can create a sunshade. We'll go into the 3D. Look like this. If you want to shift it somewhere, you can do that by arrow keys. You can shift it upwards or right or left. Okay, and if you want to change its width, you can again select it, edit it on place, and then change the width. This is how you can create a sunshade with the floor option. Okay, then the third doubt we have is how to color the walls or elevation. That I will be teaching you in the material section, which will come here, materials and their applications. Here I'll teach you how to color and how to put materials. Okay, tomorrow we'll be studying mainly the element profile, materials, massing, and lighting fixtures in Revit family. Okay, then can this software easily available? Yes, I have already told you it is easily available for students. So I'll just show you one. It will take a minute so that you can download it today. If you want, you can go to this AutoCAD Autodesk website. Okay, this is how the Autodesk site will look like. Here you can either get free trials or on below you will get this option here. Go to the visitor window site, then in students and education you can get your free version of this students and education. Then you can select product or beyond product, and then you have to select it. Get free stock software for students. You can get in India as well as US. I am also using a product. So you can, in the products you will find all the products.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. You're not audible.
Sorry, now am I audible?
Yes.
So here you will get all the products. You will get a Revit LT suite, but this is lacks a lot of options. So you can get this Revit. Select this product. It will be better if you install and try to practice, which I have taught today, so that tomorrow it will be very clear. And then here you can go to the student version by free trial or sport and learning. There was a student, I think the website has recently changed, but yes, you can at least get a free trial, and that's it. Download the free trial and you can use the free trial. And I will share the student link tomorrow, so that you can download the whole version of this software. Since this is Revit 2021, which is recently, because till 2 months ago it was 2021 was not yet released. I think this doesn't have a student version, but yes, 2000 I'm using a Revit 2017 model because this works best with my PC, with my laptop. So that's it. Now tomorrow we will be joining back for element profile, material, and other types like Revit family, rendering, camera elements, and all that. Okay, so let's close today's session.
If you like the video, press the like button and share it with your friends. And for more such informative content, please press the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.